Here's a lesson on Black Eyed Susie mostly from Clyde Davenport's playing. Here's how the tune goes. That's the general idea of the tune. I kind of messed around a little bit. There's so many good versions of this on the banjo. And one that's amazing is Roscoe Holcomb's is absolutely amazing. But this one's kind of cool too because it's a little bit simpler in a way, and it makes really nice use of this like low drone note at the end of some phrases. So I'll just play it slowly through a couple times, and then I'll kind of break things down without being tedious, if that's possible. So then to kind of like break down some of the options on this high part, but the kind of pattern that I sort of hear in the recording, I'm not sure if it's right, but it's sort of like maybe a bum ditty followed by a drop thumb, bum ditty, drop thumb, just on this like 2, 3 open with the drop thumb. So of course you could just bum ditty that stuff if you want. And you know, sometimes I'd like to just hit that bass note kind of in an index bum ditty way, like so bum ditty. That's nice. Another thing that I like to do is I'll every now and then go and grab the 7th fret. Some of the nice fiddle versions, it's like Luther Strong's fiddle version goes and grabs that note, so you can kind of fit that in if you want. So in that space you would go. Anyway, then next phrase. So you got a hammer on. Then you're going to do a drop thumb, and you're going to do like the 3 part. If the drop thumb has 4 parts, which would be index thumb, we're gonna catch the last thumb with a hammer on the first string, 2nd fret. So like that's how the drop thumb will be completed rhythmically. So there's just hammer on bum diddy, and that's the completed drop thumb right there. So right, and then you're gonna play index bum diddies on your way out. So there's 2 of them. Bum diddy 1, bum diddy 2 here. Of course you could like double thumb that or whatever. So here's what this sounds like. I kind of double thumbed it that time. So here's how that whole phrase sounds. Drill next door threw me off here, so here's what it sounds like. Hammer on, drop thumb. So there's that's the first high part. So now let's take a look at this low part here. Here's the B phrase for you. Right there on the 2nd fret, 2nd string, holding down the 2nd fret of the 1st to make the chord. Then we're going to do 2 drop thumbs going closed, open, closed, open. So it's going to go. Alright, and then you're going to do index, bum diddy walking 2nd to 4th. So that's the first half of the B. And again, drop your thumb. Right? And then the response phrase to that is going to be, that's where we're going to be borrowing from how we ended the high part, the A part. So that's essentially the same thing, except we're just starting here. So you got same like 2nd string, then you're going to do your drop thumb with that hammer on that completes it rhythmically. And then we're just going to do our index bum diddies on the way out. Again, here's how that sounds. Hammer on. Then index. So here's how the whole B part sounds. Hopefully that's useful. I think pretty much explained everything that there is. You can change things around. There's options, but yeah, holler at me if you're interested in more of this stuff. I teach lessons, and I'm also starting up a online workshop thing that should be pretty fun if you're into this kind of stuff. And yeah. All right. That's all.